Welcome back. Started in the year 1999, Ficus Pax is a leading name in packaging and logistics. It offers packaging solutions to Indian exporters with a focus on the niche market of high-precision packaging of high-value goods. To talk about the company's performance, vision and growth strategy, we have been joined from Bengaluru by Mr. Amin Rahman and Captain B.R. Vijayendra, the founders of Ficus Pax. Welcome to the show, both of you. Mr. Amin, first of all, I would like to ask you, what was the driving force behind establishing Ficus Pax?
Well, at that time, India was on a very good wicket industrially. A lot of multinational companies were coming into India, and there was a need for good packaging solutions. So, me and my partner decided that why don't we give it a try, and we founded Ficus Pax.
Captain Vijayendra, since 1999, Ficus Pax has been offering packaging solutions to Indian exporters. How has been this journey so far?
To put it in a short sentence, I would say the journey has been very, very eventful. It was a time of tremendous growth for our company, where we used to have anywhere from 50% to 100% growth year on year. In 2009, we got an invitation from Nokia to look at the possibilities of developing what is called as plywood collapsible nailless boxes for their handset that was being manufactured in Chennai. It took us about 6 to 8 months to develop these plywood boxes, and within a short period of time we were their prime supplier. Today we have 3 of these plants in Chennai, Pune and in Bangalore, where we supply to companies like Schneider, Cummins, Kirloskar, Otis and others.
Mr. Amin, what is the core area of competence of Ficus Pax, and for which all sectors is it offering its solutions?
I would say that the USP of Ficus today is in our design and value engineering. Like, first what we do is that we copy the design given by the customer. Suppose he is using wood, we first go in for wood, and after we give it a trial run after 2-3 months, we try and tell them how to go green and how to pack more in a container, and this has been very successful for us. And right now Ficus has got about 400 customers around India. I'm proud to tell you that, and most of them are world leaders in India and also in the international market. Companies like GE, Schneider, ABB, Volkswagen.
What is the major product range of Ficus Pax that you're offering to your customers?
We have developed a board. Can I show them the board? I'd like to show you this board. The board is known as the AAA board. Yeah, and it can take a weight of 2 tons. So you take a box which is 2 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet. This board replaces a plywood board, and in a container it can take a stacking weight of 1 plus 2. So you do away with the deforestation. Also have a honeycomb board over here, which is ideally suited for let us say for electronic items, and where you don't have to use foam and thermocol, and where this acts as the buffer for the TV, and it is totally green.
Mr. Amin, Ficus Pax deals in high precision packaging of high value goods. How have you been able to adhere to quality standards, delivery schedules and offer cost-effective solutions?
We have implemented a system because we follow ISO 9001, 2008 very rigidly. So systems are put into place where incoming material is checked, outgoing is checked, measurements are made, and in fact even when the packing box goes out, it has to be accompanied by an inspection report, so that whenever the people on the other end get it, they can measure it and see if it is suitable for what they ordered. So systems are put into place, and this is followed very, very, very rigidly.
Captain Vijayendra, what differentiates Ficus Pax from its competitors as far as crucial aspects of management and production are concerned?
Ficus, right from the beginning, has set the benchmark for all packaging products. Anything that we do is of a global standard. We have added on new technologies where none of our competitors even thought about it. For example, at Volkswagen, we realized that we required a profile cutting, CNC profile cutting machine. We searched globally, found this machine in Norway, airlifted it, and within a matter of 20 or 25 days, we had the machine up and running, delivering products of different and difficult profiles that were required for packaging of sheet metal products for Volkswagen.
Captain Vijayendra, the Vision 2020 of Ficus Pax is to be India's largest and most reliable complete quality packaging solutions provider. How has been the company's growth in line with your Vision 2020?
I'll be honest with you, the last 3 years has been very, very bad for the packaging industry. Most of our competition has had negative growth. I wouldn't be surprised if Ficus is the only company in India with a positive growth rate. We have grown at between 10 and 12% every year over the last 3 years. But our aim for the next 5 years to grow at a minimum of 20% annually. Our present revenue is around 300 crores, and by 2020 we expect to cross 600 crores either by finding new customers or expanding laterally, which means we set up plants in other parts of the country. Today we have 10 plants in India. Over the next 5 years, we should be adding another 5 plants. Apart from putting up new plants, we are also planning to go in for new technologies, new methods of packing, using new raw material.
Thank you, Mr. Rahman and Captain B.R. Vijayendra, for joining us in the show. With this, we come to the end of this episode. I will be back next week with the success stories of few other SMEs. Till then, goodbye and take care.